Let's unbox the Thecosystems app in just over 120 seconds. Firstly, if you've got an internet connection, you've got immediate access. There's no software to load. Secondly, you can access it from anywhere. On your phone, tablet, or PC. When you open it up, the home page lands on spotlights. In this example, you can see it's focused on a clinical trial. This page is refreshed regularly. Now let's take a look at some of the elements included in a Thecosystem, using the Discover function. Here you can ask questions. For example, show me people. 3,300 emerge. Show me those with guideline and speaking experiences. 600 emerge. And we can further refine our searching. Limit it to people with those experiences in the past 2 years. Now we are down to 7. Now you can drill down into their profile. You can quickly and easily see how many people they're connected to, and what they've done recently. In their full profile you can see their professional network. In other words, the people they've worked with and are connected to. Then, very importantly, you can go and explore those connections. In this example you can see that Franz is connected to Bradley through these activities. If you are interested in a particular activity, you can click on it and see what roles they've had, and follow the information back to everyone else involved in this activity. And that's just the tip of the Thecosystems iceberg. There's so much more you can do. You can save lists, bookmark items, and share information with other users. All in all, it's a fully interconnected, modern-day, in-depth Rolodex for a therapeutic condition. And it's updated regularly, so you can trust the information included.